Hello friends, today is off day. I bought something. I show you. Let's just see. So I bought this. And we have to put it together. But maybe not today. It says make life electric, which is electric bike. Age 16 plus. Maximum payload 286. Approved helmet. Here you open it. Got it on Best Buy for promotion, over $1,000, but it's 2 years special financing without interest, so it's good. I might need it more for commuting to work, but I'm not sure it will work out. If not, I will just have it for, I will have it to pleasure purposes, like going get around. Wow, it's so heavy. 2 people left. I hope I'm able to use it. And what I do with this box, maybe I cut it and throw to the trash, but first I will keep it, because what if I need to return? Anyway, today I'm not gonna do it, because it's too late anyway. I will do it tomorrow, I hope. So unboxing the bike.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So unboxing bike, it came in, looks like this when it's in box, has all connected. This part is together, just wheel is separate. box. Come with toolkit. And this orange. Let's start. So this is unbox and pedals. And the bike is put together. The left pedal you have to go counterclockwise and right one clockwise. And this has to be put first you put this to that wheel, this black thing from the box, and then that white part you put a line with this, like here, and make sure that there's a brake go in between this. So see, it's in between. Yeah. Can you see? Not sure. Has to go that here in between, and then this was too hassle, and then when you move this away and this away, you can make it this way, and you tighten those screws with the tool that we give, and then we put fender here, screw one, and then this one here and one here, and then turn on. And here comes the display. But this one I can change. Here's assist 1, assist 0, assist 1, assist 2, which is middle, assist 3, can go open 3, and with this 1, 2 and 1 and 0. And here is the throttle motor. When you hit this, it goes by itself, and batteries have to charge. So I will charge them. Here is the charger. Here are keys. What's this? Oh, you can charge it in bike. Yeah. But with cover I put let's open it. Here it looks like this. Pink one. Where is that charger? Here. Very charging now, batteries, but only one blinking. I don't know why. When I tried upper and plug out this, the other one was blinking. And what worries me is it actually not, distance is not 90 miles like they say, but almost on full charge. As you can see, the batteries are almost full charge, like 87, and distance are only 37 miles, and when it was full charge it was only 45 miles or 44. So we advertise 90 miles, but I thought that the bike will have 90 miles distance, but actually it says only 45, so they are, I don't know, they're lying. And no, people also don't say it in comments, so be aware of it. Unless my bike is something wrong with it, but maybe someone have that bike and could tell me how much miles have from it and batteries are full charged. I didn't test it out yet, so we will see. Okay, see you later. Thanks all for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.